Hello my amazing subscribers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to host a website on WordPress. You go to your Google Chrome, type in WordPress, click on my site, create new site. Now what is your domain? Mine will be about food. Now because I'm doing this solely for educational purposes, I do not want to use anything that has to do with money, so I'll go for the free select. There's also a plan here for personal, premium and business. I will also go with start free. Managing cookies. Now what do I want to do? What are my goals? Sell online, promote my business. Now the category, still food, continue. My store name, I'm going to call it Barra Street. Barra Street. The tagline is optional, so I'll skip it. Continue. Now pick a design that goes with your store and everything. Now this Mali is free, it goes with my store talking about food, so I'm going to pick it. Start with Mali. Let the magic happen. Now I've created a website. This is basically what you need to create a website for free on WordPress. You can go forward by editing it, setting up your online store. You can go forward and do that, but for the sole purpose of this video is just to show you how to create a website on WordPress for free. Now on this note, see you next time. Bye.